Sinamukele esiqeshini seshagalunye episode 9 kwenu udaba. In most cases umsuka wezimpi kuba udumo lwamakhosi. Amagqubu asuselwa ekutheni ukhokho wakho wangithelisa intela enkulu, ngiyaziphindiselela, ngumhlaba kanye nokunye. However, kweBhayibheli kuba isiphambeko lezo zizwe okudale ukuba banikelwe izithelo ezandleni zezitha. It's like abantu bakwa-Israyeli, uma ngabe kunento uma bephuma emthethweni noma benza izinto ezingamgculisi uNkulunkulu, uze ubavusela izitha ebese beyanqotshwa ukuze bafunde ukuthi babuyele kuNkulunkulu. Uthi uNkulunkulu unomahawu, jealous God. That's what he says. So akafuni ukusherwa, akafuni ukuthi akwabelane, kube nokwabelana nabanye abantu ngaye. He's a jealous God. uNkulunkulu unomhawu, uNkulunkulu unesihawu. Unesihawu nomhawu. Umhawu is a jealous. Isihawu is mercy. Unakho konke as long as nje umani uzisole yaphenduka yena. So that's why kuthiwa uma abantu abezibonile then banikele 18. But ke in reality, but in historically or ngokwe-history, ngomlando, izimpi zazivuswa into eyodwa nje. Bangasazi ukuthela intela, mabuye senifila ukuthi you know what, labantu ayingeke phela sebesigqilaze kakhulu, asikwazi manje ukuthela intela. Then the only way ukuthi nisuse impi kunendlela ethile nje ukuthi nje ukuthi mhlawumbe nje anisakwazi ukuthela intela, then ukuze baniphoqe more futhi izimpi, or mhlawumbe nifisa ngathi impilo eniphilayo isinzima kakhulu, mhlawumbe isinkosi yosizwe ithi no, hhayi asisakwazi ukukhokhela intela, mhlawumbe ebesekwazi ukuthi iyobheka amanye amakhosi azokwazi ukuyilekelela, mhlawumbe ayithembise something ukuthi uma ningilekelela hayi noma kanjani nizothola ukuthi nokuthi, mhlawumbe uzofuna enye alliance, so senikhathi bazigqila. So kwakusuka izimpi-ke makunjalo. Ngokwa-Israyeli akulula nje basazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, ngaphandle kokuthi uNkulunkulu yabatshisa ukuthi abavusele izitha zabo. Asiqhubekeni-ke. Kuthiwa-ke baphambuka-ke ezindleleni nezimiso zikaNkulunkulu, wabakhipha eGibhithe ezweni lobugqili. Bahlubuka kuNkulunkulu, abenza naye isivumelwano saphakade kuhle komyeni nomlobokazi. Bona baphinga emshadweni abawenza entabeni yaseSinayi. Ngikhumbula ukuthi ama-10 Commandments, those agreement with God, bawathola entabeni yaseSinayi. uMoses uyena wayengumshadisi phakathi kwesizwe noNkulunkulu. It's a dramatization. It's not like as I'm saying ukuthi like as if bangumlobokazi nomyeni, cha, but it's a dramatization. That's how people used to dramatize things or to make it illustrative, put that way. Yes. Kuthiwa-ke bona baphinga emshadweni abawenza entabeni yaseSinayi, bazithola beba nabanye onkulunkulu bezizwe, cheating in the marriage, committing infidelity. uNkulunkulu wakumele-ke ayidabule incwadi yomshado, kepha akazange abakhohlwe. Wathi uma sekufike isikhathi uyobakhumbula ezinsukwini zokugcina, just like what prophet Isaiah says. Masifunda Isaiah 27 verse 13, Isaiah 44 verse 12, Jeremiah 3 verse 18, Amos 9 verse 9, Isaiah 11 verse 12. Maningi amanye ama-chapters avumelana lokhu engikushoyo. Maningi amavesi eBhayibhelini asho lokhu, amazwi akaNkulunkulu ahlale eyiqiniso njalo and asebenza emfihlakalweni, akubona bonke abayobona ukuthi u-Efrayimi no-Israyeli usekukhunjulwe uNkulunkulu njengasemhleni yakudala. Umbuso waseNingizimu suffered the same fate with the Northern Kingdom but bona balithola ithuba lokubuyela emanxiweni kobabo. Emva kweminyaka engama-70 bathunjwa izwe laseBhabhiloni, bona baba nayo leyo nhlanhla yokuba babhale izincwadi ezilanda ngempilo yabo ekudingisweni. Ngafunda incwadi kaDaniyeli, u-Ezra, uNehemiya, ezinye futhi izincwadi. The thing that happened when they were besekudingisweni. But Northern Kingdom, there's nothing you heard from them. Akho ncwadi ozizwayo bebhala, uzwa lutho nje ngabo. But laba, the Southern Kingdom, abakaJuda, bona bakwazi ukubhala izincwadi ngempilo yabo bese sekudingisweni. So lezo zincwadi lezo nemlando yaqhubeka kuze kuzale uKristu, and kuze kufike nanoku ukubhidliza eJerusalem, the destruction of Jerusalem, kuya kwi-second destruction of Jerusalem, to the final expulsion of Jews from Jerusalem, which led to dispersal of Jews throughout Europe, until we connect the stories I just narrated during the series of wars between Israel and Palestine. Izeke ngaziqala phakathi. Kune-gap from ukukhulwa kwabo from Babylon until the Jews were completely forbidden to enter Jerusalem around 135 CE or AD, and that is close to 600 years gap. And then story sizoxhuma nalezi qephu engingazithumela mayelana nempi phakathi kwama-Palestine nama-Jews from Israel. Lezo qephu zona zicover the era when Jerusalem suffered the second fall onwards. So ngizama ukuchaza na ukuthi abantwana ba-Israel, abajuda, the Jews, they managed to have their history from the besekudingisweni, kwaze kwafika isikhathi la bekhululwa nezinye namanye ama-politics, bathola sebebuswa amaRoma, kwaba nezimpi zabo ey'ningi bezama ukuyikhulula from ezweni samaRoma ukuzalwa kwenkosi uJesu Kristu, because uKristu wabethelwa noma wafa during sekubusa amaRoma. That was the time when Roman wayesebusa, up until when kubhujiswa iJerusalem when 70 AD. Lo yakhumbula uJesu yena hears that in Matthew yena wapredicta ukuwa kweJerusalem before even liwe. Kusha kuMatthew lokho. I don't know the chapter yet, but definitely you get it from there. Up until bexoshwa completely from Jerusalem, ukuthi kwaba nini nokudilizwa kwesibili eJerusalem ukuze like that one. Then the second one or third one, because the first one labo bedingiswa khona. Second one was 70 AD, and there's the last one ladizwa khona eJerusalem. Then bagcina beqoshiwe amaJuda nje bangalibheda indawo yabo eJerusalem, bahamba badingiswa bahlala ezindaweni lapho. I remember there is a series engangayithumela noma a series ye-Palestine, wars of Palestine and Israelites. Kwasuka kanjani, bafika kanjani besuka badingisa from this babuyisela back to izweni labo, bafike kanjani. Ngaze ngasho nje abafikayo leso sikaJuda kwakungabanye abantu aba-converted into Jews, nawuganiselana-ke bagcine sebizwa ngamaJuda. Into bengizama ukuyichaza mangikhuluma nje, I was just narrating what I'm narrating now. So nani mithi suphelile, akuningi ngikhulumile, kodwa still it's part of the narrating the history of the Jews. So far I will not be continuing, sizolandela kwenye isiqephu futhi masisuka lana. Ngisho nje ukuthi angivale for now, sizobe sikhuluma akapheli 10 minutes, kodwa ke angivale khona lana. Asibonane next episode.